Okay, my other video got cut off because I am running out of storage on my iPad. So I'm gonna see how far I can get. If I get cut off again, then that will be it for this video because I can't think of anything else to delete. Okay, so the last video we figured out that 9 and 2 are our numbers. And then because it's the easy one with the twist, it's x squared with the plus 9 and x squared with the plus 2. Then we look to see if either of these are a difference of squares. And neither of them have a minus sign. So neither one of them are a difference of squares. Okay, so we've done all the factoring we can do. Now we're going to solve. So I'm going to bring down my equal 0. And then I'm going to set my factors equal to 0. So I'm going to set my first factor, x squared plus 9 equal to 0. And then I'm going to take my second factor, x squared plus 2, and set that equal to 0. And then I'm just going to solve these equations. Okay, neither of these have an x. They have an x squared and a constant, x squared and a constant. So because there's no x, I can do the square root method. So my goal is to get x squared by itself and then square root. So to get rid of addition of 9, I'm going to subtract. And then x squared comes down. 0 minus 9 is negative 9. To get the squared to go away, I square root both sides. I slap down my plus minus. Who takes that negative out? I does. And then you're left with a positive square root of 9. But what's the square root of 9? 3. So it's plus or minus 3i. So there's two answers. One's the positive 3i and one's the negative 3i. Okay, I'm trying to get 4 total answers. So now let's solve this guy. So my goal once again is to get x squared by itself. So to get rid of addition of 2, I'm going to do the opposite and subtract. 0 minus 2 is negative 2. Bring down your x squared. To get rid of the squared, we square root both sides. Slap down your plus minus. Who takes that negative out? I does. And then you're left with a positive square root of 2. Now, can you take the square root of 2? Nope. Can you break it down? Nope. So there's 4 total answers. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it. Okay, now this next one, I forgot to put the equal 0 on it. So that was just a typo on my part. Do you know what this is? It's a difference of squares. I've got 2 terms, a minus, even exponent, perfect square. Okay, so 2 sets of parentheses. One gets a plus, one gets a minus. Now take the square roots. What's the square root of x to the 4th? X squared. And then what's the square root of 144?